Hi everyone, good morning. Today is April 8, Monday. Time check, it's 11:47 a.m. Alan's going to pick me up at 12 noon. Then we're going to school to pick up Brent naman. After that, we're going to have lunch. We still haven't decided yet where to eat. We're going to ask Brent tala kasi the two of us were running out of ideas na. I think Alan's downstairs. Wait. Honey? Okay. Yung phone niya. Naka-charge ba?
Hindi naman sa kwarto niya, naka-charge sa laptop.
Sige, check ko. Parang hindi eh.
Pero tingnan mo rin.
Sige.
Ibaling.
Okay. Sige. Okay.
Pero kakalimutan mo.
Okay.
Siguro China Garden na lang.
China Garden? Saan China Garden? Ay, okay. Sige, diretso na tayong Alcott. Okay. Sige.
Oo.
Pwede rin. Oo. Meron naman kakainin si Brent dun eh.
Oo.
Sige. Okay. Love you. Ingat. Bye-bye. See you. Alan has decided na after namin sunduin si Brent, diretso na lang kami ng Alcott. Doon na lang sa food court kami kakain sa China Garden. Kailangan namin bumili ng shoes and also may mga kailangan ako na ipapalit na damit na binili ko online from H&M. Mali yung mga sizes ng damit na na-receive ko. Anyways, this is my outfit of the day. My top is from Express. Matagal na to eh. Siguro mga 5 years na yata to. This is called Portofino shirt. It's a button-down shirt. And then may flowy material siya. I don't know, is it satin or linen? I'm not sure of the material. Anyways, ayan, polka dot siya. And then may 2 pockets siya on both. You know, yeah. My jeans from Mango. It's a button fly, straight cut jeans. Very 80s. My shoes is from Tory Burch. This is the Reve Flats. My bag is the Chanel Mini Flap Rectangular in silver. Jewelries, accessories. I'm wearing my diamond stud earrings, my heart intertwined necklace, my diamond rings. I'm wearing an Apple Watch. I'm tracking kung ilang steps yung gagawa ko araw-araw. Yeah, I know. Dito lang naman ako sa bahay. Pero ayun, I'm trying to walk kahit na dyan lang sa sala dahil I gained so much weight. And then for my arm stack, here it is. I'm wearing 2 Charliol Forever bracelet. One is Forever, one is Forever Loved. Also, I'm wearing my Cartier-inspired Love bracelet. On my face, I don't have foundation and powder on. Nag-sunscreen lang ako and then nag-blush. For my eyebrows, ginamit ko yung From Soap and Glory. On my lips, yung favorite ko na Inglot number 17, yung lip pencil nila. That's all. Hindi rin ako nag-curl ng lashes, saka hindi rin ako nag-mascara. Pinapahinga ko yung skin ko. I'm letting it breathe kasi still, I'm suffering from very dry skin. That's all. Been rubbing too much kasi I have a lot of time. Sige, later. Ba't hindi mo kinain yan?
Ang in-shape ko, yun ang kain.
Bila niya ako ng pizza kasi hindi pa ako nag-breakfast. Sweet. Thank you. My knight in shining armor. Chicken supreme. Ano ba?
Basta dalawa lang sila, may meat sila, chicken at saka hotdog.
Okay. Ayan, klase ng pizza nila. O pizza ba to or fatire? Ito yung iba ang fatire pala. Pizza daw pala talaga. Local pizza. Wala silang sandwiches. Look at this dress. Is this dress nice? Type ko to kaso nga, awkward yung shape sa akin eh. It's nice, no? Ganda pa man din. Kwento ka na, dali.
No!
Bakit? Ano plano mo? Ano sabi mo kanina? You would dye your
Cats?
cat. What color?
My favorite color. For Ginger, blue. And for Stella, I say red. And for Luna, yellow.
Wow.
If I can, but mommy would not let me.
We saw it from
This channel,
what?
Wasabi Productions.
Don't lunch.
Uwi na kami. Current time, it's 5:08 p.m. Okay, we're home now and I'm going to show you what we got for today. Nag-alarm na yung phone ko. So, current time, it's 5:30. Yung phone ko kasi, nag-alarm siya tuwing 5:30 in the morning. Alarm ko siya para magising ako sa umaga. Yun yung start ng aking mom's duty. Next is 7 o'clock. Kailangan by that time si Brent tapos nang maligo and about to get dressed. Next is 10 o'clock in the morning. Yun yung time ko para mag-brunch. Kasi minsan, kapag medyo naging na ako dito sa bahay, nakakalimutan kong mag-breakfast. And also, yun din kasi yung madalas na nag-start na kami mag-brunch ni Jamie. Next alarm is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Kailangan tapos na kami mag-late lunch dito sa bahay. Next is 5:30 in the afternoon, which is ngayon na dapat nagpe-prepare na ako ng dinner namin for tonight. And last is 9 o'clock in the evening. Kailangan mag-prepare na kami para matulog. Start na natin yung aking haul. We went to H&M, Skechers, and last is Shop. Let's start with H&M. Actually, nabanggit ko nga kanina na nag-online shopping ako. And yung mga pinadala na sizes is mali. Puro one size smaller. I'm a size... Actually, before, I'm a size 6. Kasi alam ko, equivalent ganito sa US size in Euro. 34 is 4. 36 is 6. Tapos yung 38 is 8. Yun yung alam ko sa dress size. 34 is 6. 36 is 8. 38 is 10. And so forth. Ayun, medyo nalito ako sa sizing ng H&M. Kaya ayun, nagpapalit ako. Yung ibang mga pinurchase ko na damit online, wala sa physical store nila dito sa iPhone. So, binigyan nila ako ng store credit. Not store credit, yung gift card pala. Sorry, gift card pala ang tawag doon. The first that I got from H&M is this vertical stripe na color orange and white. Sabi ni Brent, mukha raw siyang pantulog. Actually, yung tailoring niya mukha siyang pantulog. Miski itong suot ko, sabi ni Brent, kasi may pajama set ako from Victoria's Secret na polka dots din siya. And nung nakita niya ako kanina, sabi niya, Mami, bakit ka nakapantulog? Ayan, great for summer. And plano ko rin kasi, hindi ko siya iti-3/4. Siguro hanggang dito. Iwasan ko muna yung medyo yung araw. Kasi nga, anong kailan, nagka-sunburn ako dito. Next naman, is this pin stripe button-down shirt din. Color red naman siya and white. Kasi mukha na naman itong pangtulog. I got this in the size 8. Pink stripe uli. And ang color naman nito is parang color green. Medyo color green tayo Button-down shirt din siya. Cotton din. With Ito yung blue and white version nung una-una kong pinakita. This one. And then this two naman, pink stripe naman sila. Then the last one, ito, medyo yung pagka-stripe naman nito is medyo malapad. Meron akong pajama set again from Victoria's Secret na ganito rin siya. Puro button-down shirt. And the last one is this A-line dress. Ayan. Nakita nyo na lang ito sa aking outfit of the day. There. Then, from Skechers naman, yung shoes ni Brent for school. Ito. All white lang. Yung ano ko kasi, pag binila namin sa Nike at yung check, yung logo ng Nike or ng Adidas, yung tatlong stripe, iba yung color, ayaw niya. Masyado masunurin yung anak ko. Oo nga pala, may ongoing promotion ng Skechers kapag bumili kayo ng isang pair of shoes. I don't know kung may certain amount ba na kailangan ma-reach para may free na bag, water bottle, lunchbox, and pencil case. Ayan, si Brent ang pumili nito, color blue. There. Then, lastly, from Topshop. Dahil nanay na ako, ang hirap kong bumili ng jeans, especially sa body type ko. Malapad yung balakang ko. Ang hirap pumili ng jeans. Kapag kumuha ako ng malaking size, ang tendency is maluwag sa waist. Kapag pumili naman ako ng maliit na size, tama sa waist, pero sa hips, ang sikip. Kinuha ko from Topshop 3 pairs of jeans, mom jeans. Ito yung pinili ko na fit kasi ito yung perfect or I think nagko-complement sa body type ko. Pear shape yata ako. Kanina nung sinukat ko siya, I was so surprised na ang ganda. Nakaka-sexy tingnan. It talks me in the right places. Lalo na i-emphasize yung hourglass shape. Nabili ko to for 14 KD. Ang original price nito is 18,250 yata. They have 25% off. Yung isang ditong jeans, actually, full price siya. Pero dahil, yun nga, tatlo na yung binili kong jeans. Full price na jeans, ginawa niyang 14 KD na. This is the light wash. Dark. And this is acid wash. Ang size ko, ayan. 30 with 30 length. Ito yung tinatawag nilang baston eh. Ang alam ko. Medyo similar sa jeans na gamit ko today. Ang sabi sa akin, ngayon, ang uso daw na jeans is yung acid wash. That's everything that we bought today. Kailangan na ako mag-shower kasi darating yung magmamassage. Sa amin ngayon, today is Monday. This is to give you an idea what mom jeans looks like on me. This is size 8, 30 with 30 length. Dapat, ang kukunin ko is yung 28, pero mas gusto ko to. Mas 80s vibe or 90s vibe para sa akin. High-waisted and tapered leg. Pwede siyang partneran ng flats, sneakers, ng sandals. Elevate yung look nyo by wearing heels. For the top, this is the button-down shirt from H&M. Yung unang kinuha ko na size is size 6 or 34. Problema naman doon is yung dito sa chest area pumuputok. Kasya naman siya sa akin pero dito masipot. Yung fit dito sa waist, sa arm, tamang-tama lang pero sa chest, no.